Hello, good morning, dear friends. Today I will create a geometry in Blender and import this geometry in EDEM for simulation. So in first part I will create geometry in Blender 2.8. So this is part 1. So let us open Blender. This is the Blender. So first of all we should remove all unnecessary things like camera, light, and also we don't need this cube because I want to create a cylinder. So I will create a cylinder. I will rotate this cylinder along the x-axis because in EDM we usually work with x-axis and y-axis. So let us rotate this at 90 degree along the x-axis. And now I will scale this along the x-axis and make it thinner by scale tool. Now it's looking good. So go to edit mode and remove these surfaces because I am going to make a ring with tooth inside. So now I will select all faces and then extrude toward origin, inner extrude. It's okay. So after that I will make a tooth. So I will select inner surface like this, all odd surfaces. And now I will extrude these surfaces toward origin. Looking perfect. And then I will scale these surfaces along the x-axis. Oh, good. Before exporting, make sure that the location, the position of x, y, z is 0, 0. So now I will export as STL format, and you must check that let us rename it as GO2, and you should check this XE. So we want to export as XE, not binary, because binary format will not work in simulation. So now second part is importing this geometry in EDM. So this is EDM. So I will go to geometry tab and right click and import geometry, and I will browse this geometry GO2 and make these all changes are default. So you see the geometry is imported successfully. Now you can do your simulation. Thank you for watching.